Happy birthday, Flory! Oh my God. I'm walking on the street while I'm vlogging for the birthday celebrant. Ayan ang palibre ni birthday celebrant. Ayan ang birthday celebrant. Flory! Happy birthday, Flory! Thank you! Sister, look at that. We are celebrating for Glory birthday. And we eat healthy food. Look at that. A lot of food here. Ako sa YouTube. Look at that.
Ate, pakita mo yung halo-halo.
Ayan nga. So special.
Yes,
For the birthday celebrant of Flora. Look at that, guys. So yummy.
Wow, yummy!
Atendo na si Jowa mo. Oo nga. Wala nang pasok yan. Ay, wala. Baka patay, rutong kami.
This is the
Kami
food.
nahirapan ni Rosie kanina.
Look at that. Same like a Christmas. Lot of food. There are putukan there. Turon, banana.
Alis kami ah.
Hindi na tira nang yung
Ay, palang pagay dito.
Pumunta kami ni dito, sino ba kasama ko? Si Onang, pero hindi kami kumain. Tingin lang kami.
Oh, kamahalan.
Kaway-kaway naman gang sa aking vlog.
Special may ano.
Ayan si Ross.
Hi.
This is Abby.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
And this is the birthday celebrant.
Sana all.
And this is my sister Angela. Angel TV Vlog.
Right.
Nakaiga si Popoy. I think so.
Ay, hindi ko na ano yan. Oh, may ilo-ilo na pas-battery pala sila dito. Hoy, tumigil ka. Kain tayo. So special halo-halo. Treat by the birthday celebrant, Flory. Ayan. Filipino combination of kain tayo. Halo-halo special. Look at that. So yummy.